It is LCD monitor. HDMI 3.5 audio port working fine. VGA port not checked yet. Color adjustment option not found yet. Very good. VGA cable is missing, so it will not connect to many motherboards. Buy a VGA cable locally and it will be ready. Otherwise, it's a good product at a reasonable price. For 5K, fabulous HDMI supported screen. The setup took all of 30 seconds. Smile, love it. Awesome product, go for it. Okay product. Satisfied. LG 19-inch LED monitor. Asked around and everyone recommended this for CCTV usage. Budget friendly. Been using it for about a month basically for our CCTV security system. 24/7 always on. No problems till now. The picture quality is okay and it seems sturdy. Excellent and super quality with HDMI and sound output is working very nice. Use both HDMI dish TV and VGA cable for desktop 2-in-1. Nice product. LG LED monitor 19-inch. Initially was confused to buy as I was looking for a cheaper alternative around 3 or 4K and found Adcom 18.5-inch one as the best based on my research, but the estimated date of delivery was showing after a week with no HDMI cable, which would have costed me some 4,400 rupees along with the HDMI cable. So, I decided to go with this as LG is a trusted brand and was slightly costlier and was delivered the next day. My laptop screen is not showing proper colors, so I needed an alternative. Talking about this monitor, I'm surprised with the picture quality. Colors look really nice and it feels really good to look at it. It is lightweight and the bezels are quite fine. It looks very modern for the price it is selling at. So, I'm completely satisfied with the product. $4,600 best price, best product. The product is having good quality. The picture quality is also good and crisp. Good quality, nice picture. Surajit Saha. Click link in description for more reviews.